Hi, welcome back to Sarah's Creative Corner. Join our family as we go on fun adventures both indoors and out. Today we're making tacos al pastor with some of my favorite kitchen tools. Starting with the electric skillet. I love the electric skillet because it has even heat distribution, a large cooking surface, and is portable and easy to clean. I love adding raw cabbage as it adds a crunchy texture to each bite. Purple cabbage is a great way to add color and nutrition to our tacos. Cabbage is packed with vitamin C and K and helps with digestion. Anytime I'm chopping cabbage, I use my Breville pill and dice food processor. I've added the link below. It makes chopping and cleanup a breeze. I'm using the dual blade to chop all the vegetables I'm using today. Many of you have asked if I keep the food processor on the counter. Personally, it's so easy to put away, I keep it under the counter. Look at that. In seconds, we have perfectly chopped cabbage. No mess or effort. One of the best things about this food processor is easy cleanup. Most of the food processor's parts can be rinsed off in seconds under the sink. Just a quick rinse and you're easy to go. No endless scrubbing or messy cutting boards. Next up is the purple onion. Not only does it add a little spice and sweetness, but it's also full of antioxidants and helps boost your immune system. This food processor is the only way to chop onions. No more crying. The food processor does all the work and in seconds. It is so quick and easy, making a family night meal quick and easy. As we're prepping vegetables, I go back to the meat and you can see that it's cooking away with the electric skillet. Now for some yellow bell pepper. It adds a hint of sweetness and a pop of color. Plus, did you know that yellow peppers have more vitamin C than oranges? Look at that, evenly diced in no time. If you hate chopping, trust me, this food processor is your best friend. And if you love produce, check out our hydroponics or gardening videos to learn more and grow your own produce. Farm to table can happen in your own apartment or backyard. And now for the tomatoes. They bring that juicy, fresh bite to our tacos and are loaded with lycopene, which is great for your skin. This blade chops tomatoes so fast you'll be creating your own pico in no time. You can add jalapenos or cucumbers if you wish to create your own flavor profile. Additionally, with the click of a button, it's easy to control the texture. You can see I've left these chunky for some pico. I'm also using a strainer. I've linked a strainer below. It is a must-have. You can see that I'm able to strain the juice out so my pico is ready to be mixed. A squeeze of lime makes everything taste fresher. I love this OXO juicer because it gets every drop of juice. It is a great kitchen hack and I've linked it below. Whether you're juicing limes or lemons, it's amazing to me how much more juice I can get using this juicer. In addition to boosting flavor, lime juice is a natural preservative which helps prevent oxidation, keeping the guacamole we're about to make from turning brown. It also aids in digestion and helps break down food to improve digestion. Look at that juice, is that not amazing? Next up is the cilantro. Cilantro adds a perfect herby freshness. A quick chop and we're ready to go. We can use this in both our pico and our guacamole that we're using today. Now we're going to put our pico together. Making pico at home is way fresher than store-bought. When you make it yourself, you can control the ingredients, ensuring that every bite is packed with fresh flavors. No preservative, just real vibrant veggies. Now we'll mix it up. The tomatoes, onions, lime juice, and fresh cilantro are the perfect balance of flavor. I also like to add a bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Like we show you in our hydroponics and gardening videos, you can make a true farm-to-table pico right at your kitchen table. You can also add just a little bit of Tabasco for some heat. As we mix it all up, this fresh pico adds the perfect zing to our tacos. I love this juicer. You can see I want a little bit more lime, so I can just add it in and then continue to mix it up. I'm going to put it into a bowl for serving. Look at that texture. It looks like you got it right out of the deli and you made it at home in only a few minutes. I love this salt shaker from OXO. How many of you find yourselves without a salt shaker? This salt shaker not only has a traditional table shaker, it also has a pour feature, which is great for recipes. I've added a link below. Pro tip as we make our guacamole, forget the fork and use a pastry blender. It's perfect for guacamole texture. The sturdy blades make mashing effortless, giving you a smooth yet slightly chunky consistency, just like restaurant-style guacamole. Plus, it's quick and easier with your hands than a regular fork. Another game changer. Check out the link below. One of the best parts about making your own guacamole at home is that you get to control the flavor. Want it extra creamy? Mash it a little longer. Love onions or tomatoes? Add as many as you like. Making it yourself means you can adjust every ingredient to your own personal taste. Avocados are a heart-healthy fat, packed with fiber and loaded with vitamins and minerals. Great for skin and hair. You can see now I'm adding the Tabasco sauce. It is perfect to add just a little heat to your homemade guacamole. Now it's time for the best part, assembling the tacos. We've got our perfectly cooked tacos al pastor, our homemade pico de gallo, and our guacamole. When you make tacos at home, you're getting restaurant quality flavor that's healthier, quicker, and way cheaper than going out. Everything comes together so beautifully. The juicy pork, the crunch of the cabbage, the bright, zesty pico, and that rich, creamy guacamole. It's a perfect bite every time. If you love this recipe, make sure to like and subscribe for more delicious meals and fun adventures.